Okay, so let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is install the wowq WordPress plugin. Now there are two ways of doing it, so I'm going to show you the easy way. So first of all, log into your WordPress site as admin, and what you want to do is go onto the plugins on the left hand side, and you want to go ahead on add new. You'll come to this screen. So let's go ahead and click on up here where it says add new. Okay. And what you want to do is search the plugins just here and type in wowq. Give it a couple of seconds, it will come up. Yay, there we go. Alright, so go ahead and install it right now. Okay, that's now installed. Yay. So go ahead and activate it now. Very important that you activate it. Now once you've done that, let's give that a couple of seconds, you can now see on the left hand side we now have the wowq menu. So that's that part done. Now the other way of doing it, if you're more professional, or for whatever reason you can't find it in the WordPress repository, you can go into your wowq app and you can download the WordPress plugin from here. Once you've got it down here, you can then go back into your WordPress, you can add a new one, and you can actually then upload the plugin as you normally do. Choose the downloaded file and that will then do it, and then you can activate it as you've just seen as well. Now I do recommend to get the very latest versions, then you use the WordPress repository, so install it from within WordPress rather than uploading it. Your choice at the end of the day. Okay, let's go on to the next step, which is to license wowq with your websites. So let's go back into our actual wowq now, the program wowq. And you want to go down to the system setup on the left hand side. Now you won't have any domains in there, so register your first domain. Now we're going to put it in there, so in this case it's going to be our nathanhague.com. There you go, add that. Okay, and you've now registered your first domain. Yay. Alright, that'll come back up. And so now you have some licensing information. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go for the license key. So go ahead and copy this. Go back into your WordPress and the license key is down here. So let's go ahead and paste that one in there. All right, it's gone green. Go back into the wowq setup and you want to go now to where it says WP plugin on this tab. So now what we do is we copy the API key. Okay, again, go back into your WordPress and stick the API key in there. Let's go ahead and paste that. All right. Now the registered email is the email you signed up to wowq with. So in this case, it's going to be mick@Australia. Wow. If I can type that good. There you go. All right. So let's go ahead and validate. Test finished. All good. Green is good. Red is not so good. Make sure that you check your copy and paste if it's not working correctly. All right, so let's go ahead and save that. That's all complete. You've successfully installed, licensed, and done the initial configuration for your wowq. Let's move on to the next modules.